In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sub-question in Microsoft Forms. This is a quick and straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be anything from Chrome to Firefox or whatever you typically use. Once you've launched your browser, head over to your search bar and type in Microsoft Forms. This should bring you directly to the Microsoft Forms website. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to do so. This involves entering your Microsoft account credentials, which will grant you access to your personal dashboard where all your forms are stored. Once you're signed in, go ahead and navigate to a form you've already created. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new form and follow these steps accordingly. For those working within an existing form, click on it to open it up. Now, here's where things get a bit more focused. You'll see various options to edit and enhance your form. Look for the plus Add New button that's typically located towards the bottom of your current questions list or wherever you see fit to add your sub-question. Clicking on this button will give you a drop-down menu of question types, and you'll want to select Likert from this list. This option is under the category of Choice Types, which is ideal for creating a structured set of responses. With the Likert scale, you're setting up statements that work like sub-questions, allowing respondents to express their level of agreement or disagreement. In the left column that appears, you will enter your statements. These statements are essentially your sub-questions, focused on obtaining more nuanced feedback. Take your time to craft each statement carefully to ensure that they are specific and clear, as this will impact the quality of the responses you receive. Now, look over to the top row. Here is where you input your answer options. These could be basic options like agree, neutral, or disagree. Think of these options as the scales upon which your responders' opinions and feelings will be balanced. Customize these to fit the context of your sub-questions if necessary, as this could range from satisfaction levels to frequency or any number of applicable measures. Once this setup is complete, you've successfully added sub-questions to your form using a Likert scale. And there you have it, sub-questions added seamlessly to enhance the depth and detail of your Microsoft form. Feel free to preview your form to ensure everything appears as intended and make any adjustments before sharing it out. This method allows you to gather more insightful data and can be a great tool for a variety of surveys, evaluations, and feedback forms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your form more dynamic and comprehensive.